Look at this little egg. Have you ever wondered why chicken eggs became the eggs we eat almost everywhere? We see chicken eggs at breakfast, in cakes, in noodles, and even in snacks. But why chicken eggs? Are chicken eggs somehow better than every other bird egg? The answer is more interesting than you might think. Birds produce many kinds of eggs. Ducks, geese, quail, and even some other birds lay eggs that humans can eat. So chicken eggs did not win because they are the only edible eggs. Chickens simply became incredibly useful to humans. First, let's look at the egg itself. A chicken egg is relatively small, easy to handle, and easy to cook. Its size is one reason it fits perfectly into everyday cooking. 1 or 2 eggs can make a quick meal without being difficult to prepare. Chickens are also common around the world. That makes their eggs much easier for people to find and buy. When millions of chickens are raised for eggs, there are simply a lot of chicken eggs available. And chickens can produce eggs regularly. That steady supply made chicken eggs especially practical for human communities. A chicken can lay many eggs over time, giving farmers a dependable source of food. But what about other eggs? Let's compare them. Duck eggs are also eaten in many places. They are often larger and can have a richer taste. Goose eggs are even larger. One goose egg can be much bigger than a typical chicken egg. Quail eggs are tiny and popular in some cuisines, but you need several of them to equal one chicken egg. So other eggs can be delicious too. Chicken eggs simply became the most convenient everyday choice. Price matters as well. Chicken eggs can be produced in large numbers, helping keep them relatively affordable. Because chicken eggs are produced on such a large scale, grocery stores can keep plenty of them on the shelves. Modern chicken farming also makes collecting and distributing eggs much easier. Eggs can move from farms to stores, and finally to our kitchens, through a huge and efficient supply system. Chicken eggs are also easy to package. Their familiar shape fits neatly into protective cartons. And when stored properly, eggs can stay useful for quite a while, making them convenient for households. Then comes another big advantage: cooking. Crack one open, and you have an ingredient ready to use. You can fry it, scramble it, bake it, or mix it into countless recipes. You can even boil it and eat it with almost no complicated preparation. One ingredient can become many different foods. That's a huge reason chicken eggs became so popular. Eggs are also valued as a source of protein and several important nutrients, making them a useful part of many diets. Put an egg beside toast and fruit, and you have a simple breakfast that people around the world recognize. But remember, chicken eggs aren't the only eggs humans can eat. Chicken eggs became popular because they combine 3 powerful advantages. They're common, convenient, and versatile. So why don't we see duck, goose, or quail eggs everywhere? Part of the answer is simply habit and availability. Different eggs have different sizes, production levels, prices, and local traditions. Those differences affect what people choose. Once people become familiar with chicken eggs, they keep buying and cooking them. Familiar foods become part of everyday life. And when stores sell mostly chicken eggs, people naturally become even more familiar with them. It's a cycle. So it's not that chicken eggs are magically the best eggs. They're just an extremely practical choice for billions of people. Common, affordable, easy to cook, and incredibly versatile. That's the real secret behind their popularity. From a simple breakfast to a complicated cake, the humble chicken egg can do a surprising amount of work. So next time you eat a chicken egg, remember, it's not the only edible bird egg. It's simply the one humans made especially common. Chicken eggs became our everyday favorite because they're available, practical, affordable, and easy to use. And that is why, when most of us think of eating eggs, the first egg that comes to mind is the chicken egg.